Stop guessing on Pixel 10 Pro. Hey Google voice commands not working. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials for this assistant bug are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to just retrain your voice model and wait. But that is a one-way ticket to getting a trouble connecting error every time. Before we fix the software, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. I am here to walk you hand in hand through the Gemini Assistant bridge fix so you cannot fail. You are watching Rexish, the only authority you need for Pixel 10 Pro system fixes. The problem is that the Pixel 10 Pro defaults to Gemini, which often hijacks the Hey Google listener, but fails to activate the legacy assistant background services. To fix this, you must open your Gemini app settings and toggle Talk to Gemini hands-free off, and then back on again to force a service re-registration. Here is the secret trick other creators miss. If that doesn't work, you must actually disable the Google app entirely in your settings. Clear its storage to wipe the corrupted assistant cache, and then re-enable it before updating from the Play Store. Rexish has verified that this deep reset is the only way to clear the ghost voice bug that ignores your commands on the lock screen. Once you restart your device and run the voice match training one more time, the rainbow light bar will trigger instantly whenever you speak. Follow these steps and your voice assistant will be more responsive than ever. Comment below if you want a guide on how to fix Pixel 10 Pro Circle to search not appearing.